Hi there, I'm Jasper J, and today I want to talk about getting my life in order and personal branding. So, I aspire to be a successful author and move to Japan, and I've always wanted to live in a movie. I've always wanted my parents to chase me down once I run and storm off to my room. I've always wanted to do all the cool things that seem so impossible, so unreal. And so I've decided I'm gonna move towards it. I'm gonna try to do the impossible. I love setting big, unrealistic, impossible goals. Today I want to talk about personal branding and getting my life on track to start doing all of the things that I wish I could do. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is going to get my hair cut because it is a mess right now. Then I'm going to go and get a headshot taken by my boyfriend with his professional camera. This is the haircut that I ended up getting. I just woke up the next day, so it's a bit of a mess, but it's much shorter and it's cut nicely in the back, and I like having just crazy hair that goes wherever I want it to and has a bunch of layers. It's a lot more fun to play with than flat, so that's the first part. So the first thing that I decided to do is try to make a logo for myself, and this goes horribly. I'm using Canva to design it, and Canva's a great software, and I have a little bit of graphic design experience, but I'm really just used to using Photoshop and cannot seem to design a thing for myself. But for some reason I think of that as like something necessary for an author to have, even though it's really not, and there's not very many places I'm gonna put it. So I eventually more or less give up on this, and then I start over in a new place by Googling just what you need to have in order to have an author brand, how to develop your author brand, what it means to have a brand. I open up all of these tabs into different windows, start reading through them, clicking through them, deleting the ones that aren't good, and kind of internalizing the advice of the other ones. This website, Your Writing Platform, or Your Writer's Platform, is the best one that I've found so far. It's absolutely excellent. I definitely recommend it. Now, to implement the advice that I got, I'm going to go through and change my profile picture all to the same picture. I'm definitely going to go back and change it later because, like I said, I don't have a logo. And I also change a lot of the descriptions so that they're all the same and all mention my blog. It looks like the biggest factor in having your author platform figured out is having your website look good and feel good, so I spend a good chunk of time editing my theme and looking and researching other authors to see what they have set up. I selected this one author as my inspiration for what I want my blog to look like. I go through, I look at all of the themes, I select a couple I think I might be interested in, I start looking over and trying to edit it a little bit, get it all feeling good.
It ended up taking me a full 12 hours in order to edit my website nonstop, and it would have taken me even longer if I tried to record the whole thing. So let me just show you how it ended up looking. And then lastly, I think it's very important that I start getting some branding on this YouTube channel. I had my other YouTube channel all figured out, all the colors and styles and everything, and then decided I hated that channel and started this one instead. And so I'm going to make a new intro for it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, got something interesting out of it, or at least understand my process a little bit so that you can do something similar with your own brand. Enjoy the rest of your day.